Welcome back to Instables, and it looks like BTBT had a major breakout today, and it looks like Bitcoin did come up and tested that 41,000 mark, and we could continue going to tomorrow if we can get Bitcoin to break over 42,000, and we can see a specific level broken here on BTBT. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow, and exactly where you guys can find these breakout alerts before they happen, so you guys do not miss out on them again. And the only thing I ask return for this is you guys smash that like button, and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So, let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over BTBT with you guys here on the 5-minute, and then I'm going to back up to the 4-hour so you guys can see what we're looking at overall. But I do want to mention that we did alert this one really early in the morning. We have been alerting this one since last week, since around $5. We're up about 200% since then, and we have been breaking out since then. We're going to see if we can continue, but I did want to mention this because if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through the day. As you guys can see, we do mention Bitcoin stocks as well, even BTBT, even though they are not a penny stock. We have been alerting multiple plays throughout the week that have been very volatile. So definitely check out instables.com if you guys want to see all these breakouts throughout the day. So you guys can see here on BTBT, we have been continuously breaking out here on the 5-minute, and I'm going to back up to the 4-hour so you guys can see exactly which points we're trying to break above to have this continuation. Again, we have been on quite the run from around $5 from that breakout that we did have with the 20 MA crossing above the 50, showing us that momentum that we have been getting. But as you guys can see, we did mention yesterday, this 1350 mark was very key for us. Again, that was our previous continuation sell-off, and as you guys can see, we broke above it with the body of the candle. We did have a nice continuation breakout since then. Now we are sitting around $16, looking to see if we can continue. And as you guys can see, we do have a very key resistance coming up here at $19. So again, we did have multiple rejections to the upside here at $19. So in my opinion, to have more bullish momentum, to not get rejected here to the upside, in my opinion, as we do have a decrease in volume, but we did see an increase in buy pressure coming into today here on the 4-hour, just like we were looking for yesterday. We needed to see an increase in buy pressure, and that's exactly what we did get. But as you guys can see here, we do have the 20 MA still holding above the 50 MA, showing us that we are still more bullish than bearish at this very point in time, but we need to make sure we do hold over this 1350 mark in my opinion. And in my opinion, breaking over this $19 mark would be very key for us, in my opinion, to break above our previous volume point to have more confirmation on this breakout. Again, that is where I would expect for this one to have a major breakout, but in my opinion, we have been already having quite the major breakout. And again, Bitcoin has been testing that 41,000 mark, and we may have a continuation on that breakout with Bitcoin. And if we can get Bitcoin, in my opinion, to break over 42,000, which is exactly where we did test previously in the last week. So we're going to see if Bitcoin can break over 42,000, and we can get BTBT to break over $19 to get more bullish momentum. As you guys can see, again, we have been continuously selling off for quite a while, and we are on quite the bounce play, as we did bounce off of exactly where we did previously have a major breakout. So this could be a very strong bounce play. We want to make sure we do continue with momentum, in my opinion, and break above our very strong resistance that is coming up here. Again, this is more of the swing trade perspective on what we're looking at for on momentum, but as far as an intraday play, then we could be looking to see if we can get more volume coming into tomorrow on the 1-minute to have a nice breakout. As you guys can see here on the 1-minute, we have been decreasing in volume, but however, we have been consolidating overall. We're going to see if we can continue and break into new highs and break above our previous volume point that we did see on that spike today. So again, BTBT still on the watch, but again, I would be setting my alert right above our previous volume point that we did see. So again, to set that alert, if you guys are on TradingView, you guys come up to this volume point here. As you guys can see here, we do have these 3 dotted lines next to our volume here, and we do click on this setting here, and you guys can see add alert, and we add this alert to our volume. And as you guys can see, we can move that volume point right above our previous volume point. So that way, if it does break above that volume point, then we can be alerted for that momentum and possibly that breakout that we're looking for. So again, I would be setting my alert at that point if we're looking for more strong momentum here on BTBT. But as far as breaking into new highs going to tomorrow, if Bitcoin does break over 42,000, then we could have a spike up to this $19 mark and possibly rejection at that point. We're going to see exactly what might happen. But again, BTBT has been on quite the run. We're going to definitely be careful. Make sure we do get more confirmation on this momentum, in my opinion, to play safer and to make sure we do have higher percentage plays, in my opinion. But again, this is not financial advice, and this is only what I would be doing. And again, with that said, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, you guys know what to do. Go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.